the shorts anyway. I think I'm gonna be wearing this today. It's a swimsuit from Victoria's Secret. Swimsuit bottoms from Hollister. Shorts from Hidden. And that is Amazon clothes. And yeah, I also have this cover up for later. I wanna like walk around. So yeah. Okay guys, so I actually ended up changing my swimsuit because the other swimsuit top didn't want to cooperate.
Alright, we're vlogging. I forgot you said. Pancakes. So we're gonna try this drink, salted caramel coffee. It looks good, but let's see if it's actually good. That's not bad. It's kind of strong, but not too strong. Like, it's a good strong.
Yeah, we got the same thing.
It's not too sweet nor bitter. A little salty because it's salted caramel.
Oh, she's going in depth.
Yeah, no, it's actually pretty good. Tell us, Adi, what are you about to try?
Same thing as her.
What is it? Is that good?
Oh my gosh, that's good.
It's not bad at all.
I like when it's good. Like,
That looks fire. You see that? Crisp. She be chugging that. Slow down, girl. You gotta learn to slow down.
I have a lot. I'm happy. We got the food. Or I got my food. Your food is coming right now. Oh my god.
Thank you.
Hey guys, I'm waiting for my friend. She's in the bathroom right now. I'm at her condo. We're gonna get some electric scooters to go. Fun. I hope I have the balance. And look at where I am. I know.
It's paying us.
Okay, wait.
We can record ourselves. Oh fuck, girl, we can record ourselves writing this shit.
I gotta keep my eyes on the road because I'm not good at this. Literally right after this, I crashed into a rock. Okay, we have been riding on this thing. She's gonna take out her speaker and put some music on. That's going to be so fire. Stoobies. By the way, this is where we're at. We're literally just riding next to the beach and it's so pretty. Like, this is a vibe and my feet are literally burning. We at the beach.
Yes, and we just drove like $20 worth of money on the bike.
We were driving. It wasn't a bike, it was a scooter.
On the step.
Electric scooter.
Oh my god. That.
It was fun.
Yes.
But
expensive.
expensive, yeah. So now we're gonna go into the water.
You have to go to the left though.
To the left?
Because this is a private area.
Yeah, private beach. Boy, what the hell? This happens every year. I got this.
Just pushing on to it.
I saw a big ass eel in the water, and it was really big in the ocean. And now I'm scared. Boy! Okay.
Oh wait, though.
How does your drink taste like?
It tastes very alcoholic.
We ate that up. Okay guys, I just went to the casino and I realized Yeah, I was in the casino for some reason with her. We won 20 bucks, which was pretty nice, but they told me to stop recording, so I couldn't record much. Thank you for watching.
We'll see you guys another day soon. Trust next. Bye bye, guys.